Okay, hi guys. Kita ada very good testimony kat sini, Abang Rizal kita ni. Yang mana before dia gunakan produk Zari BE International ni, dia ada anxiety, depression, stress, anger management.
Anger management,
GERD, acid
reflux.
reflux. So from what I see, it's probably coming from the gut. I recommended him in his bio, of course, for gut health. Luar Lora.
Dengan socks
socks.
tadi. Okay, actually after the first night I pakai, can totally feel the difference already in the morning. Because I wake up, the fatigue gone.
Just one night.
Just one night.
Oh, okay.
Usually when I bangun kan, confirm nak bangun, ya lama leceh lah. Susah kan,
Okay.
nak pergi kerja. Dan sekarang, automatic. Tak payah wait for the alarm. Subuh, sekarang automatic. Anxiety dah tak ada. Even the tremors come when I ada anxiety, tremors datang kan. So, semua dah tak ada. Tidur, baring, letak je terus tidur. I still have a good, bangun fresh. You get to the deep sleep part lah.
Yes. Correct.
And that's for the whole day. Last time, after lunch, confirm gone. So, my focus in work pun
Much more sharper.
much more sharper. Dulu email masuk buat bodoh lah. Email masuk, straight away,
Settle.
reply, settle. Family members, Alhamdulillah, ada orang pun perasan juga. Last time, of my anger issues ni semua kan, macam my anak and wife, macam kira menyampar. Dia bukan mak layan. Sekarang Alhamdulillah, diorang dah,
The bonding
is better lah. Even my friends also can see the difference.
So, would you recommend to others?
Of course. I sendiri dulu skeptical. So, you have to try it lah. Tidur malam pakai socks je. Really good. It helps your circulation and everything.
Oh, you know already. Okay, so dah tak skeptical lagi?
Dah.
Okay, Ken, boleh. Thank you so much.